Hi friends, welcome to Hussein's Brief. As iPhone 15 is going to launch, let's have a look on trade-in option. Open your browser, in that type Apple Trade-in, click the Apple Trade-in website, and this is the home page. Here it will ask us to select the product which we are going to sell. It's iPhone, other smartphone or other product. Also it shows buy iPhone today and get 2000 to 55,700 credit when you exchange. Here the credit means they will add the value of our product which we are selling in our account as a credit. Here it's showing the current prices. iPhone 13 Pro Max is 55,700, iPhone 13 Pro is 53,200, iPhone 13 is 38,200 and iPhone 13 mini is 34,400. Let's select shop iPhone. Here it is asking to select the iPhone model, which is I am selecting iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. Again it's asking to choose one. Let's choose iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's select the color deep purple. Next select the storage 256 GB. Then click select smartphone which we are planning to sell. So this is my postal code, my serial number. Here they are asking about our mobile condition. Does it turn on and do all button works? Yes, I will select yes. Is the body of your iPhone is in good shape? Yes, mine is in good shape. Are the touchscreen and camera in good shape? Yes, it is in good shape. See friends, for my product they have quoted me 26,000. Like this the trade-in option works. Here friends, one thing I have to mention, it's purely my opinion. Please do not sell your product here because they are quoting a very low price. I am using iPhone 11 Pro Max and I am getting a better price in my local market. Just because we are going to purchase a new iPhone, it is not necessary to sell our product in very low price. So nowadays there are a lot more online partners available, so we can sell in that platform or even we can sell it to our friends. So that's all friends, this is what I want to mention here. Again, it's purely my opinion. I'm not insisting anyone to not to sell here. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, do like and share. Thank you friends, have a good day, bye.